I'm going to outline three main ways that aloe vera supplements may help digestive and gut health. Some folks may point to other gut health benefits, but frankly, the science has been inconsistent in some of these other areas to date, and we feel it's best to focus on the benefits with reliable data. In addition, I'm going to tell you what to look for in a quality aloe vera supplement. This is a big deal because historically, aloe vera has been one of the most counterfeited or adulterated botanicals in the marketplace. I'll show you how to avoid getting ripped off when choosing an aloe vera supplement. Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's episode of the NatureCity Podcast. I'm your host, Carl Pradelli, and I'm also the CEO and co-founder of the company, having started NatureCity over 20 years ago with my wife, Beth, and since then, it's been our privilege to have served over 500,000 Americans by offering them the best supplements we can make. Today, we're going to be discussing how aloe vera can help gut health. Aloe vera is one of the top botanicals used in supplements, as well as being very popular for skincare and topical products, and can help the body in numerous ways, with gut health being one of the most popular reasons why many consumers are taking aloe vera supplements. I'm going to outline three main ways that aloe vera supplements may help digestive and gut health. Some folks may point to other gut health benefits, but frankly, the science has been inconsistent in some of these other areas to date, and we feel it's best to focus on the benefits with reliable data. In addition, I'm going to tell you what to look for in a quality aloe vera supplement. This is a big deal because historically, aloe vera has been one of the most counterfeited or adulterated botanicals in the marketplace. Unfortunately, it's not uncommon for consumers to try aloe vera and believe it doesn't work, but in reality, they were using a product that wasn't made with real aloe, or it was such subpar quality, it couldn't possibly work. I'll show you how to avoid getting ripped off when choosing an aloe vera supplement. So let's jump in with the three ways aloe vera can help support digestive and gut health. The first is by helping to balance stomach acid levels. Stomach acid often gets a bad rap, but it's an integral part of a healthy digestive system. Adequate levels of stomach acid are needed to break down foods and prepare nutrients for absorption in the intestines. If this doesn't happen because too little stomach acid is available, then it disrupts the rest of the digestive process, and this can contribute to a lot of health problems. On the other hand, too much stomach acid is bad too. As you may know, excess stomach acid can lead to occasional heartburn or indigestion, and can damage the stomach lining. Like so many things in the body, balance is key, and maintaining a healthy level of stomach acid is an area where aloe vera can lend a helping hand. As a result of this support, aloe vera has also been shown to help relieve occasional heartburn, gas, or belching, and may have a soothing effect and protective effect on the stomach lining. That leads us to the second aloe vera gut health benefit, which is helping to improve the absorption and bioavailability in the bloodstream of certain key vitamins and nutrients. For example, in a study published in the journal Phytomedicine, researchers compared taking vitamin C and vitamin E with and without aloe vera in healthy adults between the ages of 21 and 42 years old. The researchers monitored blood levels of vitamin C and vitamin E in the study participants for 24 hours after consumption, and they found that when aloe vera was consumed with the vitamins, there was a significantly higher amount of vitamin C and vitamin E in the bloodstream over and at the end of the 24-hour study period. This suggests that aloe vera may help us digest and absorb these nutrients more efficiently and can help improve bioavailability in the bloodstream. When we refer to bioavailability, it means the amount of a nutrient that's available for our bodies to use, and there was a significant positive effect on vitamin E and vitamin C when taking with aloe vera in the study. Since our digestive systems are water-based, our bodies need to do some extra preparation work to absorb fat-soluble nutrients. Nonetheless, aloe vera had a positive effect on both the water-soluble vitamin C and fat-soluble vitamin E, which I thought was an interesting and important finding. Another similar study was published by researchers from the University of California, Davis, who investigated the effects of taking aloe vera with vitamin C and vitamin B12. As you may know, vitamin B12 is typically not absorbed well, which makes it a good choice to investigate to see if aloe vera can help. The participants in this study were healthy adults between the ages of 40 and 70 years old. Like in the first study, significant improvements were seen in blood levels of vitamin C and vitamin B12 when aloe vera was consumed with these vitamins. So while the vitamin C improvement was still significant with 150 milligrams, it wasn't as strong as the improvements seen with the 300 milligrams in the first study. For vitamin B12, the improvements with 150 milligrams of aloe vera was very noticeable in the first few hours after ingestion and then leveled off afterwards. It would be interesting to see if 300 milligrams of aloe vera could have an even greater impact with vitamin B12, but we don't have that data yet. We're often asked, when is a good time to take an aloe vera supplement? Based on these studies, we suggest taking aloe vera with vitamin supplements or food. It can be a nice way to get the most from the vitamins you ingest. The third and last gut health benefit we're going to discuss today is the prebiotic and intestinal support properties of aloe vera. If you've had a chance to explore the health benefits of aloe vera before, you may know that a key class of nutrients in the gel of the plant are polysaccharides. These are essentially complex carbohydrates that are not broken down by the body during digestion. Like some other complex carbohydrates, aloe vera polysaccharides have prebiotic activity, meaning they provide nourishment for friendly bacteria in the gut, also referred to as probiotic bacteria. In other words, they act as food for good bacteria, allowing them to flourish and grow in the intestines, which is important for good gut and overall health. In addition, aloe vera may help support the function of the intestinal barrier, which helps keep unwanted substances out of the bloodstream. Very important. And finally, aloe vera may help your body form better stools in the intestines, for example, by increasing the water holding characteristics of the stool, which can help support healthy and more comfortable bowel movements. So, those are the three main gut health benefits of aloe vera: helping to balance stomach acid, supporting nutrient absorption, and promoting prebiotic activity and intestinal health in the gut. Now, the key to experiencing these benefits is using a high quality and real aloe vera supplement. As I mentioned before, it isn't easy for consumers to find a good quality aloe vera supplement. This is really important, and I don't want to rush through it, so we're going to pause here and save that for next week's episode. In the meantime, if you want to find out more about aloe vera supplements, go to our website, NatureCity.com, and check out the True Aloe and Aloe Cran product pages. That's it for this week. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to see future episodes or listen to us on your favorite streaming services. We're available on Apple Podcasts and Spotify. This is Carl Pradelli, and I'll see you next week.